My name is Anna Maria Florio. I'm the owner of La Cucina at the Market, located in Center City, Philadelphia. We do recreational cooking classes, and we have been in business. It will be 16 years coming up soon. Started it based on really a dream. So I didn't really think it through or know what I was going to find ahead. There's a lot of issues that come up being a small business owner, and especially being a woman business owner. Being taken seriously, sometimes is tough. And like to support other women, and since then have found lots of places where women business owners come together. And I'm not looking so much for support groups, but I'm looking for women who share common community.
Women entrepreneurs face unique challenges that go beyond solving the technical aspects of their small business. Whether it is starting an endeavor or succeeding in historically male-dominated industries, we seek to support you in achieving your watershed moments.
Since I began, there are a lot more women in positions making decisions. So I think they are just generally more sensitive to the issues that might come up. There's challenges, there are different ones. I do still face some from management companies, and sometimes they speak to me as if I don't understand. And I don't think I'm dreaming that they might not speak that way to a man. When we are gathered around, whether the counter cooking or sitting at the table together, there's a tremendous sense of camaraderie and friendship, and that gives me huge success. I mean, I love earning money, of course, but I love that we are able to bring people together, and I love that I can surround myself with the staff who gets that and really supports it. And, our greatest joy is when people are leaving and they're exchanging phone numbers with each other, and they're saying, oh, well, we have to get together, and you feel like you've really contributed to a greater good.
We all have a story to tell. Let's build a future together. Widener SBDC, helping businesses start, grow, and prosper.